Winning isn't always about hitting harder. Sometimes it's about thinking harder.
You've captured more than half of the mission area. Keep going.
Executioner!
Control lost.
Feeling fantastic.
Gambit got your back.
I am Phoenix!
Found me someone to fight.
Their team's capture progress has passed the halfway point.
Logan, and race!
Help.
Never bring a cannon to a card game. Oh,
Let me return the favor.
Us against the world!
I won't rest until this is
The
solved.
area's almost yours!
That almost hurt!
Control lost! Cosmic play!
Dragon kick.
They've almost got it!
Fantastic! 1,000 cards.
got your back.
You're doing better!